The Gombe State Police Command has paraded 7 suspected cattle rustlers in the state. The suspects, who were arrested at different locations in Pindiga and Gombe, were notorious in the Pindiga axis of the Akko local government area of Gombe State. Hassan Koli reports.
This is a group of 7 suspects who were on Thursday paraded at the Pindiga division of the Nigerian police force in Akko local government area of Gombe State. Parading the suspects, Gombe State Assistant Public Relations Officer ASP Sharif Saad said the suspects voluntarily confessed to rustling cows.
That on the 20th of January 2024 at about 22:30 hours, that's 10:30 in the night, a formal complaint was received at Pindiga Divisional Police Headquarters, Akko local government, from one Ya'u Hassan that some unknown persons stole his cows. A full-blown investigation was launched where it was revealed that the said Adam Hussaini and his associate who mastermind in cattle rustling along the axis were said to have carried out the act. Later on the 23rd of March 2023, the officers and men of the Pindiga division succeeded in arresting the 4 suspects by betting them with some stolen cattle. The suspects have voluntarily confessed to the charges while the case is still under investigation. A Toyota Sienna bus was recovered as exhibit.
The prime suspect said they used informants from the community to plan cattle rustling and hand them over to potential buyers in Gombe. I was the one who masterminded the rustling of these 3 cattle. I connived with one buyer of Garinwali. We raided the house where the cattle were kept, carted them away, and handed them over the one Gwaska in Gombe. We were later apprehended by police. The receiver usually gives us 100,000 naira for a cow worth 1 million naira in the market. I deeply regret my action and I am asking for forgiveness. The police command, while promising to intensify effort to combat crime and sustain peace, is also calling for general public support to it succeed. Hassan Koli, Trust TV News, Gombe.